Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to lock messages on iOS 18. There isn't a built-in feature to lock individual messages on iOS 18. However, you can protect your entire Messages app with Face ID or Touch ID. So in order to do that, go ahead and tap Open Your Settings application from your iOS device. Under the Settings menu, go ahead and get to the Face ID and passcode option and tap on it. Enter your passcode for your device and make sure that you turn on Face ID and passcode option. Now after you enable Face ID or Touch ID on your iOS device, go ahead and press hold the messaging app icon at the bottom of the screen. In the pop-up menu, tap on Require Face ID. Click on Require Face ID again, and this app will now require Face ID or your passcode to open up or show the messaging application. Right after you tap Require Face ID, your app now will be locked. If you need to open up the app, you will now need to scan your face, and right after that, you will be able to access your messaging application. By enabling this setting, you will need to authenticate with Face ID or Touch ID to access the messaging app. So that's the only way you will be able to lock messages on iOS 18. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.